In front of me is nothing phone 3A Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can change sleep time to never. Begin by opening Play Store and downloading free app called Caffeine. Keep screen on. When it's ready, launch it and hit OK in the pop-up. Then go into Tab menu and edit it thanks to this little pen at the bottom right corner. Now look for Caffeine shortcut. Hold it, drag it to your current menu. Sorry, I need to remove one of those I don't use to place this one. Go back and click on it to activate it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!